Good morning, children, and welcome to English class. Children, today I'll teach you a topic of grammar. The topic is conditional sentence, structure, and its type. So, let us first learn what is conditional sentence. Children, conditional sentence use if or when. These particular words are used when the sentence is conditional. If or when is used when you are forming the sentence of conditional sentence. Second thing, conditional sentence always give out the result. Okay, so let us first, I'll tell you the structure of the conditional sentence. For example, here I have already written here, out of if or when, you have to select one. This is the structure. If, when plus subject. That means after putting if, you have to take a subject, then verb, then object. Then the second part also, here also subject, verb and object. So let us form the sentence with the help of this structure. See here. If we heat the water up to 100 degrees centigrade. This is because if is used in this part of the sentence, so the whole part, this is the first part of the sentence, this is conditional and this is the other part of the sentence. We have divided it by putting the comma. Remember this thing, if you are using conditional sentence in the beginning of the sentence, it will carry comma. Remember this thing. This is very much essential. You should always remember. We people commit mistakes in this. Always remember, if we are taking conditional sentence in the beginning of the sentence, then it should contain comma. And in the same sentence can be written in this way also. Here I have already written here. See here. Here it refers to what? It refers to the water. We are just changing the position of the sentence. This is the second part of the sentence and this is the conditional sentence. So this part we bring it here. Suppose here the water boils. Here we have not put any comma. Comma is not at all necessary here because conditional sentence, if it is coming in the second part of the sentence, then comma is not at all required. Always remember, if you are converting the same sentence and taking the second part in the beginning and the conditional part is coming to the second part of the sentence, so comma is not at all required. The meaning is same. Clear? See, so we have learned that what is conditional sentence. Conditional sentence always begin with if or when and it gives out the result. And the structure also I have given you. With the help of this structure, you can create many sentences. Clear? So this is what the conditional sentence is. Now I'll teach you the types of conditional sentences. Actually, the conditional sentence are of 4 types. We'll discuss one by one in detail. Okay. Here, the first one is zero conditional. Clear? This is the zero condition. This is the first kind or type of the conditional sentence. Zero conditional means what? It is used to describe universal truth or scientific facts. Clear? That means how will you come to know that the sentence is zero conditional? Main thing, you have to see that zero conditional sentence always takes universal truth or scientific fact. Clear? And I'll clear it with the example here. Suppose that I take the example, if the sun goes down, it gets dark. Clear? Here, because this is the conditional sentence, that is why we have put the comma, because the conditional sentence is used in the beginning of the sentence. Clear? So here, this is the first example. It is the natural fact, it is the scientific fact also. If the sun goes down, what happens? Definitely it gets dark. This sentence is based on the fact. Okay, one more example I will take. If we heat ice, it melts. Same thing is happening here also. Definitely, when we heat ice, it melts. It is the fact. It is the scientific fact. One more example I'll take. The grass gets wet when it rains. Clear? Here what I have did, I have put the conditional part in the second part of the sentence. See, that is why I have not used the comma over here. So, if you notice the sentence, if you read twice, thrice, then you will find one thing is common in all these three sentences. Most of you would have found also. Okay, let me clear. In the first sentence, the sentence is divided into two parts. Up to comma, here one part, and after the comma, here second part. See here, what is common? Goes, gets. Here in the second, heat, melts. Here gets, rains. S or ES is used here. It is known to everybody that S or ES is used in present indefinite tense. Here you will notice that the whole sentence is divided into two parts and both parts are in present indefinite tense. Here also present indefinite tense. Here also present indefinite tense. That means if the sentence zero conditional वाला जो sentence होगा, how will you identify, how will you recognize the two things should be there. One is the sentence should describe the facts, either it be the universal truth or scientific fact. Okay, and the second thing, both part of the sentence should be in present indefinite tense. Okay, so this is all for zero conditional. Hope you understood it well. Let's proceed forward. Now I'll take the next conditional. Next, number 2, that is first conditional. What is this first conditional? How will you identify the sentence whether it is type first? That means first conditional. Okay. So here the definition I will give you first. It is used when we talk about real possibilities. In future. Clear? I'll give you the example that will clear your doubts. Suppose that here I take the example, if she abuses her, she will beat her. What is happening in the sentence here? Naturally, if anybody abuses to anybody, the soon after the action will happen. So here what is happening? She abuses her, and attendum what the action took place, she will beat her in future. Possibility is there. If the person who is abusing, the other person can beat her. Okay. One more example I will take. If you work hard, you will pass the exam. Definitely, if you are working hard, the result will be positive. Future result will be positive. Here, in this case, also, the result you will get positive only if you work hard. Let us take another sentence. If you come to me, I will teach you grammar. Clear? Then what is happening in these three sentences? Come on, notice down. What is happening? Okay, I'll tell. See here. The conditional part of the sentence is in what tense? Present indefinite. Here in the second part also, second example also, in the third also. And what is happening in the second part of every statement? Will beat. Which tense? Future indefinite. Clear? Here also, will pass. Which tense? Same, future indefinite. Here, will teach, again future indefinite. That means, how will you identify, how will you recognize that the sentence is in type first or first conditional sentence? It always states the conditional part will be in present indefinite and the second part will be in future indefinite. This is the way you can identify the type first conditional sentence. Okay, the next part I will teach you later. This is all for today.